there's a smaller business-to-business insurance company called Next. And the strategy work that they did found that a lot of people, a lot of small business owners, entrepreneurs think of insurance as a negative thing. It's the thing that it's a necessary evil. You don't want it, but you have to pay for it because what if something bad happens? And they found that they had an opportunity to reposition insurance as really kind of a launch pad for businesses, that you feel, because you feel secure with that insurance, you can take more risks. You can do things that you might be afraid to do otherwise. And that's so important to entrepreneurs and small businesses, to be able to extend themselves and push themselves. And so they came up with this idea of Get Going, which became not only the strategic foundation, but the tagline for the brand is this idea of get going, push yourself further. And that went into all kinds of illustrations for the brand with, there's a really small image here, but I'll try holding it up, of, it's a little blurry, but a little guy on a rocket ship, right? So this idea of insurance sort of being that metaphorical rocket ship for the business, it all came out of the strategy, but you almost wouldn't know it because it's so beautifully done in the design work that it just feels natural. It feels cool. And so that's the impression you get as a potential customer, is just, oh, this brand feels fresh. It feels relevant. But behind the scenes, that's coming from research and strategy work.
Amazing. I love, when, like you mentioned, cool also. And I think the coolest brands are those that very authentically break a norm within that category.